Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to change and customize the watch faces on Apple Watch 8. So let's do it. So to do this, just push it long on the watch screen and now swipe to the right and hit the plus sign. Here we have the new watch faces, just press here. And here there are astronomy, lunar, metropolitan, modular, playtime and portraits. I will choose the first one and to do this just press add. And now to customize, from here you can choose the font. Now it's modern. If you go up we have rounded, and if we go down we have classic. I will let classic. Now swipe to the right and here is the view. Now we have Earth and you can choose moon or solar system. I will let the Earth and swipe to the right again. From here you can choose the style, random or full. I will let the full Earth. Swipe again to the right and here you can choose your desired complications. Now we have date here, but if I will press, you can choose another complication. You can choose your schedule, compass, controls, heart rate, medications, news, noise, reminders, and we have a lot. Okay, I will let the date. And here we have another one. Just press here and now it's the weather, but also you can choose let's say chains of rain, workout or work clock. I will choose workout, and to set these new complications and this customization, just press once and now just press here, and that's all. We have a new watch face. Now if you want to choose the first one, just push it long and swipe to the left, and here there is. And if you want to add another one, swipe to the right and again just hit the plus sign. And also we have here the old watch faces. And if you want a new one, just go to the desired one. Let's pick up for example this one, press add, customize, and then just press the crown button, and here is the new watch face. So it's very easy in my opinion. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.